Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about an app. Not the normal channel content, but I think it's pretty important. So we're talking about an app. It's a free app that helps keep you safe. The app is called Mayday Safety. And what it does is best described by the creators. So I have a link down in the description. Go click on that link, watch the video, and then below that there's another link where the creator talks about different things it does. He talks more in depth about the dashboard, but I'm more focused on the free app that you personally can download. So you go to the App Store, go to Google Play. It's available for iPhones and Androids, which was a very cool thing. It was the reason I've been putting off making this video. I have an iPhone. I've had the app for a while. I haven't really used it. I've opened it up and I've clicked on the Mayday Safety icon 3 times, and then I've canceled it just to see what it would do. So this is what it looks like when you open the app, and then you tap it once, tap it twice, and then on the 3rd time it says please stand by, we're currently requesting help, and then you could push the button that I'm safe. Also, these bars, they go back to the beginning. So if you tap it and do nothing, it'll go back to the beginning, and then it will just again say Mayday, tap 3 times to alert. So I've opened up the app, I've tapped the button 3 times, which is what you're supposed to do if you have an emergency, if something's happening, if let's say an active shooter, or if you're getting mugged, or whatever the case. If something happened and you need medical attention, you could tap that button 3 times, and then it will give you direction and say help is on the way. And what it does is it alerts everybody that has that app that something happening in your area. And it's supposed to pinpoint your location directly so that others can either come and help or be aware of what's going on and then disperse, and then hopefully your dashboard coordinator sends help to your location. So why do I think this is an app that you should have on your phone? Because number one, it's going to make schools a safer place. If everyone has this and something happens in one wing of a school, and everyone that has that on their phone hits the Mayday Safety, it's going to affect more people faster. So it'll be way better than texting someone that something's happening, relying on them to see that text, where if you have that app on your phone, it automatically sends an alert and it's not just a text. Number 2, I think it's a good idea to have on your phone for your family, not just if you're a student in a school, but for your family. You can see if something's happening. If my wife needs to press this button, Mayday Safety, I know exactly where she's at and how I can help. And then number 3, it's free. I mean, how good does that get? For you personally, it's free. Now, I think it does cost organizations, but for you as an individual, it's free. So it's basically having help at a push button away, or to help other people by notifying them that something's going down. So it'll pinpoint your location, and then you can provide feedback. So if there was an active shooter, or let's say there's a weather incident, let's say there's a tornado and it comes through and decimates the area and you need help, you can tap that button 3 times, and then you can provide feedback. You can say, hey, I'm safe, or I'm in danger, and it can provide feedback to people that need it to know where to send resources to. So I highly recommend you installing Mayday Safety on your phone, and then telling your family about it, so they can all get on their phones, and as a network of better informed people, we can help protect everyone a lot better. So like I said, I'm going to put a link in the video, or in the description of the video. The first one is the trailer for the app, and the second one is the creator describing what it is at the dashboard level, and it kind of helps get a clear picture of what the app does. So I'd recommend watching those videos, and then I would recommend downloading that app. Thanks so much for the creator of the app. I sure appreciate it. Thank you for watching.